Okay, now that we've set up the job, we're going to go into the work order and we're going to go ahead and assign it to one of the technicians. So I'm going to go, I can either click here or I can go down to the work order itself, but I'll just click here at the top for the next work order. So this will be the first work order when we kick off this job. So what we're going to do is we can see that the job is still pending, or the work order, excuse me, is still pending. It's a self-performed job. I do not have a partner that's assigned to this job. We can see the job name, property name, the customer, and the service date is due. We can see the service type. Oh, I have not put a sitemap onto it yet, so I need to go back and do that. But for this video, we're just going to go ahead and assign a crew, or excuse me, a technician. I can assign a crew or a technician in this case. This would also be where I could manually plug in check-ins if I needed to, but I'm going to go ahead and select my technician by clicking here. I can click my drop down to get my full list of users. So in this case, I'm going to have Juan be my guy. Here I can update the future assignment. So I'm going to say, yes, I want this to go ahead and update and kick him forward on all the work orders that are generated in the future. This is not on overtime. Let's see, the apply time on property is going to automatically populate when the check-in and check-out happens. This is where I can go in and either add a crew or remove the technician and assign it if I want to. But now that I've assigned it, I don't need to put any billing information in here. This is obviously where I'm going to, where his technician notes are going to end up. If I have any additional extras, I'm going to fill in this information to do an extra invoice for the customer. But in this case, I'm just assigning technician alone. So this is one way to do it. The other way is through the scheduler itself. You can actually go into the scheduler and you'll see this work order pop up on your unassigned, and you can drag it over to the technician that you'd like to. But now you can see that Juan is assigned to this one. He has a user rate already. So when he does go out to the job, we'll see the labor cost will populate here. So down here under the recurring service summary, we can see what we're billing monthly. This is what our pay per service is. There is no labor cost yet because he has not gone out to the job. And then we can see what the net is. So this is the current net because we haven't done the job yet. This will adjust automatically when he goes out. And if there's any extras, this section will populate. And that's how you assign a technician to your work order.